This is my first video I'm ever gonna make, and my slogan sort of thing for my videos would be, come on, let's play Minecraft. And once I finish all that, build a house, get some diamonds, coal, iron, gold, then we'll go to the end, kill the Ender Dragon. After all that, we'll be making videos on like multiplayer, and what that would do is so like after I kill the Ender Dragon, we'll be going like on multiplayer doing Hunger Games, and I'll be showing you how to craft all the stuff and get teach packs and mods. And about the crafting, you can just see it. You could either just wait till I do all that, or you could see it in the Minecraft video. So let's get into it. Hitting world survival. I'm gonna do another one. Play Minecraft. Okay, we've got bonus 2 stone, cheats on, seed Tarzan. Then not allow cheats off. Okay, done. And survival, of course. Create world, I love you, world is the best place to get filled. Where am I? Oh God, it's a glitch. Okay, it's my skin. Let's go away. Whoa! I need back up there. Need back up there, mister. Not cool. I wish Superman could fly.
It's just six. Superman can't fly because he has a cape and he doesn't know how to use it because he's gay. Come on, give me the chest. Give me the chest.
Give me the chest.
Yay. Apple, apple, apple.
In this video, I'll just be finding a spot and getting stuff I'll need. Finding a nice comfort spot. We are so great. I'm just gonna get some sand.
Give me some sand.
I like the sand. It is sand. Okay, I'll just get 20.
Oh, I need 20, not 19.
20. Now, son, don't touch that cactus.
Ooh.
Ah, nice. Ooh, Sandstone Temple. I'm lucky I got that sand. You do it. There's a special way to do it, because if you mine that, if I don't catch it, it's gonna go down, and it's gonna tap the pressure plate, and when it taps the pressure plate, it blows up. So you don't want to do that. And then you mine it like that. Okay. Be prepared. You need to do the middle one so it brights up.
Okay, give me your stuff. Yummy. That's yummy. Ooh, I like her.
More gold. So I got all stuff.
Hussein, you gonna help me, Hussein?
Give me the sound. Oh.
Give me up. You're in the way, huh? You think that's funny? Well, it's not.
I'm gonna hop over here with my one leg. I'm Superman, I'm gonna fly! Yeah! I'm dying! Superman dies! I thought he was the strongest man in the world! No! I need to go over here! No. Ooh! Holy! Out of my face! Ooh, what's here? Yummy.
My name's Henny. Give me down.
Yep.
Over here. Over here, Mr. Chest. Ooh, chest. I like chests. They are so hairy.
Because they are here. Oh, our paws are platypus. Okay. I need to go over here, old man. Getting up, old man. Going over here, old man. Coming, old man. Cornribs and Advils.
Ooh, cobblestone. I like cobblestone. It's so cool. Hey, this is Popeye.
Doodle.
Cool. Never. Hey. It's a spider. I hate spiders. Spiders are freaky. I need to get to the chest so I can get my ass out of here.
Darn it. Wooden chest. Done. Okay, and then let's come on my mind. And it can be my wood supply. And over here I could make the sandstone temple look fancy. I could make it look so beautiful. So sandstone temple is my house. So guys, I hope you like the video. There's tons more coming ahead of you. So don't worry, there's gonna be tons and tons more. Bye.